If you're seeing LibreOffice Error 1500, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you two simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast, so you can get back to installing or opening LibreOffice without the error interrupting you. Error 1500 often happens when another installation is already running, or when a stuck installer process is blocking the setup. So we're going to clean that up, step by step. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. It really helps the channel, and it means you'll see more solutions whenever Windows or app errors get in the way. Let's start with the first solution. Close all LibreOffice windows first. Make sure every LibreOffice document, window, or installer screen is fully closed. If you have more than one instance open, close them all before moving forward. Next, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the Simple view, click More Details so you can see the full list of running processes. Now look through the Processes tab and find anything related to LibreOffice. You might see LibreOffice, Sophos.bin, or another related background process. Select each LibreOffice process and click End Task. The idea here is to completely stop anything that could still be running in the background, because Error 1500 often appears when Windows thinks another installation is already active. Once you've ended all LibreOffice processes, restart your computer. A restart is important because it clears out stuck background tasks and resets the installer state. After your PC turns back on, try installing or opening LibreOffice again. In many cases, that alone fixes the issue. If the error is gone, you're done. If it still appears, move on to the second solution. Now for solution 2. Open Task Manager again and check for another installer process. This could be a Windows installer that got stuck or another setup file that never finished properly. Look for anything that seems related to an installation process. If you find one that's frozen or not responding, close it. You can select it and click End Task, just like before. This step matters because a stuck installer can trigger Error 1500 and prevent LibreOffice from launching or installing correctly. After closing the stuck installer, go back to the LibreOffice installer file. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Running the installer with administrator privileges can help Windows complete the setup without permission issues or background conflicts. If a normal launch failed before, this gives the installer the best chance to finish properly. If LibreOffice now opens or installs successfully, great, the conflict has been cleared. If you still see the error, double-check that no other setup program is running in the background and that you fully restarted the computer after ending all LibreOffice tasks. Sometimes the fix is as simple as stopping one hidden process and trying again after a reboot. So to recap, the main fixes for LibreOffice Error 1500 are: first, close LibreOffice completely, end all related processes in Task Manager, restart your computer, and try again. Second, check for a stuck installer process and run the LibreOffice installer as administrator. Those two steps solve the error for most people. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.